go. Hello, and welcome to Cursive Writing for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter Y, upper and lower case. Turn your paper or tilt your paper, angle your paper, whichever word you like best. Use your pencil, put 3 fingers around your pencil and the other 2, the pinky and the ring finger, stays on the paper so that you can write better. It gives you a better positioning, better stability to be able to make your letters. Okay? Now, those lines remind me to tilt my letters or to angle my letters or slant my letters, actually is the word that I have been using. Capital cursive Y, you make a teardrop at the top, go down to the red line, you go back up, and then you trace it down below the red line, make a loop, cross it at the red line. That's a cursive capital Y. Okay, make the teardrop, come down as if to make a half heart, curve at the red line, go back up, trace it down, make a loop at the bottom, close it off at the red line and make your tail. Let's do it again. Teardrop, a little half of a heart, curve at the red line, go up, slant down or trace back down below the red line, cross it at the red line, make the tail. Okay, the half of a heart that you're doing is a smaller one, more like that than like this. Okay, so it's a thinner or skinnier half of a heart. So you want to make teardrop, half of the heart, curve around, go back up, trace back down, below the red line, cross back at the red line and make your tail. Okay. Not too bad. That's a big Y, capital Y. It looks like a big Y, doesn't it? Okay, so you can practice them along with me again if you'd like, or we can keep going forward with lowercase y. Lowercase y looks like this. Start on the red line, make a hump onto the dotted blue line, go back down to the red line, go back up to the blue line, trace back down below the red line, cross at the red line and make the tail. So make your hump to the blue line, go down to the red line, go back up to the blue line, trace down below the red line, make the loop and bring up the tail. Let's do that again. 1, 2, go down, loop, tail. We'll do it again from the red line, hump, down hump, go up, stop at the dotted blue line, trace back down, make your loop below the red line, come up. You see where my letters are ending, my lowercase? This is the red line. But when I make my lowercase letters, they have to go below the red line. Half of it has to go to the top of the next line. So I just wanted to point that out to you so that when you are practicing your letters, you know exactly how big to make them. Okay? So continue to make your lowercase Y's. And replay the video as many times as you need. Sometimes you'll catch on quickly to some, and some other letters you may not catch on so quickly to. And that's fine. You'll be able to do it. Keep practicing. Those are our Y's, upper and lowercase. We have capital Y, and that's a big letter. That goes below the red line. And we have lowercase cursive Y. They both go to the same length at the bottom, right? So keep practicing, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.